guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I've got a really pretty apartment in San Nicola Arcella. It's in a beautiful complex that is really so clean, so nice, really nicely located. This one also comes with a garage and just a really, really nice area. Take a look, you guys. I think you're gonna love this. Here's the front walk here. And here is the unit. But I wanted to show you what your backyard looks like, or your front yard or whatever. You're not surrounded by a bunch of noisy units. You up here in sort of the hills a little bit in San Nicola, where it's very quiet and very beautiful. There is a shuttle to the beach in summertime. Let's take a look. Okay, we're going in, and look, I love this white sort of tile, very light tile, and not dated at all. It actually really lightens up the space. And this is your sort of entry. You've got a cute kitchen here. Again, kitchens are very inexpensive to swap out if you don't like this one, but I think it's really cute. Now this makes all the difference when you have a smallish bathroom. Now the shower pan is not that bad. It's not super small. The pan itself is relatively small, but it has that little shelf over there on the edge where it gives you a little more space. So this is actually quite a comfy bathroom. And the ceilings in here are quite high. I really like that. Now here's the bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom. Got everything you need. But, you guys ready? This is the best part. Here's your balcony. And the balcony also comes out of the kitchen and dining room. For a vacation home, this is absolutely perfect. And it's a gorgeous day today. One thing I will point out about this complex, look how clean it is. You know, we've already started seeing some of the tourists coming into Scalea, and I'm seeing little bits of trash along the road, which always irritates me. You know, it usually takes a month or two after summer to get them all cleaned up. But here, it is spotless, which I love.